Hi hunters, it's Olga from ANY.RUN. Much of the world is now concerned about the global spread of coronavirus. People have become more sensitive to such a problem and respond acutely to any mention of the virus. Crooks don't sleep and take advantage of people's vulnerability to the crisis. In recent days, we get a lot of files and URL with coronavirus decoy. Look here, for example. Note that not every file tagged with COVID-19 is malicious. Let's take a closer look at what might be hiding behind a file with that name. As usual, Crooks actively use malicious documents. Here's one of the malware samples with COVID-19 temp name. It downloads Ranka's remote access Trojan, which steals information from infected system. We talked about it in our previous videos. You can check it on the upper right corner. Let's check another one suspicious URL with COVID-19 in the title. Here we see yet another wild way of deceiving people and playing off their fears are phishing and fraudulent websites. They are trying to sell tests for COVID-19. And unfortunately, a part of people swallow that bait and send money to them, hoping to get help. As you can see, Crooks even added protection tips. Thanks to them for care. Look at another task. Also, heavily used executable files with COVID-19 temp named simple but popular trick. The samples are NetWire and ANY.RUN. If you want to find some submissions with specific words on it, use filter. For example, I want to find only Microsoft Office files with the word Corona in its name. Let's open Filter, then enter Corona in the name field and choose extension Microsoft Office. Here we go! According to our service, the most popular malware is hiding behind in the files with the name it's NetWire and NanoCore. Using our search box, you also can find these types of malware as TrickBot, Zloder, LokiBot, Ramcos, Netwalker ransomware, Agent Tesla, Esencrat, and Crimson Red. Complete list of files with coronavirus, aka COVID, in the title you can find by clicking on the link below. You can also restart the task by clicking the Rerun button. All links for this task you'll find below this video. Be very careful with files that use clickbait titles. In these difficult times, it's important not to give in to panic and to be focused and attentive to yourself and your loved ones. Take care of your security. Bye.